Yes, so I dey wait for your call. Make I quickly go office. People wey don come see am and they transfer their money. So by now they don drop their information with their documents. I go use am go prepare their land documents for them because we want make them get peace of mind. As them buy the land, they fit sleep. Yes, so I'm leaving this place to the office now. Follow me, okay? Yes. We are heading straight to the office. All right? See you in the office. Ooh. Yeah. Let's go there. Call the number to get your own plot. So 09034296519. I'm waiting for you.